Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify QR code. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify QR code, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of Spotify. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that you click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. If you will find your update, then you can click to update your application to fix that problem you have on Spotify. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.